Oga Speaker, I greet you.
Thank you.
I bet if you hear me introduce yourself, give people for house again.
Well, my name is Right Honorable Ajoto Kabiru, the Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly.
Oga Speaker, this local government election,
Okay.
the one where they come for March 3rd this year. I bet waiting be the the way your own party, I don't do for this election when they come so.
I am very, very happy. The one my party don't do, they say we don't demobilize our members across the state. Say make everybody shine an eye, carry your PVC. March 3rd, you go eat in the morning. You go dengue, you go pose. Shine your eye again and go to the field where your polling unit day. Make you cast your vote for APC candidate. Because we know, say, party plenty when one contest this election. And we know won't lose any local government to any party because our government of APC under Godwin Obaseki, we they do well. And because we they do well, we want the local government at that level to make them they do well. And they can only be doing well if we are reasoning along the same line. We can only reason along the same line if we have the same manifesto. So that is why we want make our party, our members come out well. We don't start campaign for most local government. For Akoko Edo, we have started mobilizing our members to come out that day to cast their vote and vote for APC. So that this kind of development, when they go on for state level, for national level, make it trickle down to various local government areas in Edo State.
We'll be visiting EDSECO, that is Edo State
Independent Electoral Commission.
The one wait there for the election matter for Edo State. We go there, they can't make us know, say, for 50 political party where they the country then. Say 10 political party for Edo State, now you don't stand that gidigba for this election matter. We can't there say, get one party, where we say, that one talk, say, you know one do. They even be talk, say, they won't carry EDSEC, go court, say. Many wuru now with the year. So one can hack, say, for una party, how una take reason the election matter reach?
Well, for APC as a party, we, me, I be APC. Now my party be that. We go participate for the election. And I'm happy now that you say 10 political party go participate for the election. If one say they no go do, that means that they don't have membership. And me know the one say they no go. Now PDP, we no go take name, cover them. Because they are on television. They say they won't go court. Well, that is the best thing to do, to go to court where you are aggrieved. But PDP say they don't go participate. Whether they participate or they don't participate, that is their choice. But I want Edo people and Nigeria make we know one thing. Person, so you get time when we say guilty conscience, somebody is guilty. He go dey fear in shadow. If ant pass, he go fear ant. If fly pass, he go fear fly. Now wetin don't catch, na Gini when don't catch PDP for Edo be that. Once upon a time, PDP could sit down. They go dey beneath here, choose who becomes councillor in Akoko Edo. They will not do political party the way, they will not run political party the way they're supposed to run them. Once upon a time, for this state, PDP, they were in charge of all the 18 local governments. Apart from Akoko Edo that time when BANPP. If you go there, you no go see say they do anything, no legacy. Now when they don't see say APC, we don't first of all do election. APC lead the local government. 3 years, they left a lot of positive footprint at the local government level. They come they think say, what did they go even do when go contribute again? Now that fear catch them when they say they no go do. But that doesn't concern anybody. It is their choice as a political party. But 10 are participating. So if any party say no go do out of fear, I wish them good luck. But it is out of fear because they know they cannot even win. Because they no longer have the membership. For Akoko Edo, for instance, where I come from, who is the PDP person? Everybody don't collab for APC. Say na APC they go be member of. Because wetin Buhari they do, wetin Obaseki they do, wetin the judiciary they do for Edo, wetin House of Assembly they do, everybody say, Kai, if these people feel do good like this, they will join the moving train. So anybody when say no go participate, good luck to that person. But by God's grace, their non-participation cannot in any way affect the election negatively. Because it is their choice. Come, and if you think you have membership, come and participate. They say they no go do. It is their choice. I pray when 2019 comes, may they say they no go participate in the election of 2019. It is their choice. Because they are laying a foundation for themselves now. I pray may them be built for this foundation for 2019. May they tell all their candidates in Edo State for House of Assembly, for House of Reps, say make them no vote. Then may they tell their members, say make them no vote for the presidential candidate of PDP. We go happy.
As I talked before, say, EdSec, they shine our eye on top some matter. EdSec make us know, say, 70% of our youth, them, with the Edo State. Now, you don't show a body put for this election matter where they come. How not say reason the matter reach?
For the youth in Edo, you know, say before now, the youth in Edo are unemployed. When our governor, the campaign, he talk about 200,000 jobs. Part of our duty as House of Assembly is to make we oversight the executive. We make sure we not be say you go just talk and make it do them. I stand bold to tell you now. So out of that 200,000 job when he promised, he has fulfilled more than 50%, either directly or indirectly. Because of that, youth now look at the man and say, hey, it's possible to do this in Edo State. So this election, now youth stand up, put pass. And I'm happy the last time I visited my local government, Akoko Edo, and we equally visited Esako West, Esako Central, youths are registering massively in this ongoing INEC registration because everybody said they want to go and cast their vote for March 3rd. So I am happy that the youth are waking up to their responsibility. They are waking up because the head is good. And where the head is good, the entire body will be okay. But where the head is rotten, the entire body will be rotten. The head for Edo now Governor Obaseki, he is doing well. The youth, the entire body of Edo is healthy and very, very standing gidigba. That's why INEC, EdSec tell you, say, the youth are heavily mobilized. They are not blowing the matter out of proportion. It is true. Everywhere you go now, the youth are happy. Everywhere in Edo State. The issue of militants, you hear them again. The issue of kidnapping, you hear them again. No, they ask you now, make you two, they help me answer this question. You hear them again. You know, the youth, their blood hot. If you don't engage them in the daytime, they will engage you at night. The government, realizing that, have engaged the youth of Edo State. And when this election matter comes, you discover that most of the candidates for our own APC party, they are youth. The chairmanship candidate, the councillorship candidate, 90% of them are youth. So where the youths are active participants, the system will be very happy. So that is why you say the youth, everywhere you go. So EdSec is correct by telling you, say, the youths are heavily involved.
What will be the advice where you get for our people for this election where they come up so?
The advice when I get for our people, make our people just uphold that our mantra, that our saying when we say, one man, one vote. One woman, one vote. One Obaseki, one vote. One Comrade Philip Chaibu, one vote. One Ajoto, one vote. One man, one vote. Make sure say we no rig anywhere. Because God don't give us support. We are APC is everywhere you go, like glow. Are you getting me? And person when they carry red oil, when they wear white cloth, you know they quarrel. Because if you carry red oil and you wear white cloth and they find your trouble and you won't fight, you will stain yourself. You will stain the white cloth we are wearing. For Edo State today, APC is wearing very white cloth. We no go allow person to come stain them with red oil. So now we go to preach to people, say make them no quarrel. So my appeal to everybody in Edo, we say, I beg that day, shine your eye. Dengue make you pose because we are doing well. You know, if person they do well, he go dengue, he go pose. He go they happy. So make we dengue, make we pose. Shine our eye. Go to the polling unit that day. Make the election one man, one vote. That is our preaching to everybody. At the end of the day, we know, say, God will give us victory. And once we win, better life go still come for local government area. The day before, it go still add more. So my advice for everybody that day, we should not allow violence. We should not encourage violence. We should not perpetrate violence. Are you getting me? Then anybody when won't carry red oil, come match our white cloth when we wear, make we no alarm. We no go alarm, we involve the law enforcement agent, the police. I'm sure the commissioner of police will be up to his responsibility that day. The director of civil defense, the soldier, all of them, God will help us. There will be enough security. So make members of APC, another political party, just come peacefully, vote peacefully, and the result will be announced peacefully, and Edo State will be better for it.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much.
I greet you.
Thank you.
My people for house, now Edo State House of Assembly, now in Tanda Gidigba. And at the election matter where they come up for March 3rd, now I don't hear so, from Right Honorable Speaker, Kabiru Ajoto, he don't talk many things with Tanda Gidigba onto the election matter. And as soon as they see and so, March 3rd, they say, Muna go there, Muna go press in her hand. One man and one vote. Nati Live Media, now in Tanda Gidigba, this story for una. And I talk her, now in the Yana.